I'd like to welcome my guests for this hour. We have criminal defense attorney Sam Bassett and civil rights and family attorney Tangi Bush. Sam, let me start with you. And she said, you know what, he took the stand. You may not like what he had to say. This is not about the fact of did he shoot her or not. It's all about why he shot her, and she had been hurting him a little bit at a time, including hitting him with a bottle. How effective do you think this closing was?
Well, it may have been her only choice. You have to believe the defendant's testimony to accept her argument. And that's the real challenge she has with the jury, because the evidence that he killed her and then his post-shooting conduct and behavior and dismemberment and not reporting this for a while, and then the texts. It's a very difficult case for the defense, in my opinion. But if you believe him, then it was self-defense. But the question is, will the jurors believe him?
Oh, Sam, I agree with everything you said. A lot of evidence. And then dismembering her the next day, I think, adds to the entire picture. That might be hard for the defense to overcome. Still with us, criminal defense attorney Sam Bassett and civil rights and family attorney Tangi Bush. All right, Sam, talk to us about the difference between his statement that was videotaped, that was given to the police, versus when you have a defendant take the stand and offer testimony in the way that he did.
I think one of the challenges as a defense attorney is when your client has made a videotaped statement early on, you know almost always you're going to have to eat those words at trial. So that's why so many lawyers tell a client, if they have the opportunity to advise a client, do not make any statements, because those statements will come back to haunt you at trial, and they are often given a lot more credibility at trial unless you can show some sort of coercive environment. On the other hand, his testimony later is occurring months, if not years after the fact. And I've had, in my experience, jurors be quite skeptical of situations like this where the court testimony is contradictory to the initial story.
Thank you again to Sam Bassett and Tangi Bush for joining us this hour.